Welcome back to Hospitality Engineering. Today we do yet another segment under Soft Skills for Engineers Module 13 Part 23. The topic for day is drum rolls. Going to a hotel or restaurant. Let's look at the learning goals for the same. By the end of the video, you'll be able to check into a hotel, ask about foods on a menu, order a meal at a restaurant, understand common exchanges when eating out, write about an unusual experience that you had in a restaurant. Now let's get on with the rest of the video. Let's start with the nouns for a little vocabulary. Time for some nouns. First we have appetizer, which means a small amount of food served before a meal. For example, we ate an appetizer of cheese and crackers while we were waiting for our dinner. Next we have checkout, denoting the time when you must pay the bill and leave a hotel. For example, checkout is at 1 p.m., so we have time to shop before we leave. Following we have dairy product, which means a food item that is made from milk, such as yogurt, cheese, or butter. Now, how do we use it in a sentence? The doctor told me not to eat dairy products. The next couple of words are front desk, which means the main desk at a business, hotel, or airport where you go when you first arrive to say you are there. For example, the woman at the front desk gave us the keys to our hotel room. And the next term is ingredient, meaning something you include to make a type of food. For example, onions, celery, and carrots are the three basic ingredients of a good soup. The last set of words for our noun list we have main course. The main course is the biggest or most important dish of food served at a meal. For example, Sarah had roast duck for her main course, and then she ordered chocolate cake for dessert. The last word is special, meaning a food item that is not usually on the menu. For example, the specials at the cafe change weekly, so there is always something new to taste. Moving on to the verbs necessary, we have check-in means to go to the desk at a hotel or an airport to say that you're ready for your room or your flight. For example, Sam asked for a non-smoking room when he checked into the hotel. Check-out happens to be a phrasal verb, which denotes to pay the bill and leave a hotel. For example, the taxi came to take us to the airport, so we checked out of the hotel quickly. Let's end our list with adjectives which form an integral part of our vocabulary. First we have double, which means for two people, or twice the amount, number, size, or strength of something. For example, one order of fried potatoes wasn't enough for the two of us, so we asked for a double order. Next we have mild, meaning not having a strong or hot taste. There was no pepper in the seafood, so it was very mild. Mildness forms the noun form of the term. Following we have single, denoting for one person. A single room is big enough for me. I'm traveling alone. Next, spicy, meaning having a strong taste or causing a burning feeling in your mouth. For example, you can put a lot of red pepper in the food to make it spicy. We are ending the list with to go, which means sold at a restaurant but taken somewhere else to be eaten. For example, I ordered the hamburger to go because I was late for class. Now let's equip ourselves with some expressions in use when asking for information. What do you recommend? What's in the plus noun phrase? Ordering. I'd like plus noun phrase. I'll have plus noun phrase. Can I change that to plus noun phrase? Paying. Could I have the check, please? Is the tip included? Do you take credit cards? Now we shall look at the explanations regarding the previous slides. When you're not sure what to order in a restaurant, you can use the expression "what do you recommend?" If you want more information about the food in a restaurant, such as what a dish is made with, you can use the expression "what's in the?" This expression is followed by a noun phrase. When you are ready to order food at a restaurant, use the expressions "I'd like" or "I'll have." Use the expression "can I change that to?" when you want to change your order or part of your order. These expressions are followed by a noun phrase. When you finish eating and want to pay, you can use the expression "could I have the check, please?" After you receive the check, use the tip included? To ask if the restaurant already added the tip to the bill. Use "do you take credit cards?" To ask if the restaurant allows you to pay with credit cards. Thank you so much for watching this video. We had so much fun making it for you. Don't hesitate to go ahead and ask us your queries. Contact us on ganesan.kcf@gmail.com. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more.